Oh my God, there is so many sharks. Look at all the sharks.
Why they call it shark bait?
I reckon so.
Oh, bro.
Go, 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 go. Nah, too slow. Big whiting, first cast. Yep. Oh, there's so many. First cast. Flathead. Yep, flathead. Probably gonna get spiked by this fish. Okay. Lovely flathead, another bar tail. This one can go back. See ya. Another fish on. Oh, that feels like a flatty. Yes, yeah, another good flatty. Really good.
Bigger than the last?
Bigger than my last one, not as big as yours. Okay. Deal with the lure in a minute, but another beautiful bar tail. Yes. Yes, big flathead. Bigger flathead. Oh my God. Yep, much bigger. Oh Jesus. Okay, I think this one's getting kept because he's swallowed that lure. Beast flathead. Not as big as Dan's first one, but my biggest for the day. Probably somewhere high 40s. He's swallowed the lure though, so this one's going to be coming home for something to eat. Delicious fish, and as you've seen, there's no shortage of them here. Oh God, what the hell? Over that rock.
Oh, I got a good flathead, man.
Yeah, I think I've got mine. It's a big flatty too, next to that rock. Oh my God, yeah it is. Whoa. Oh no, I got a cod. With a big flathead following it. I got an estuary cod out of the little rock there. No, no, don't go for that. Stop, stop. Come here, Mr. Cod. Little cod. This little guy can go back. Off you go. See you, buddy. So we've ended up with Dan's big mullet, heap of yellowfin whiting, and we've kept 7 flathead out of all the ones we caught. Probably caught maybe 40 flathead and we've kept 7 of them. Pretty mad little session.
Fish a cast pretty much, and the amount of wildlife out here as well. Sharks, everything.
Yeah,
So great.
we've just been walking around with sharks, and there's been the big guitar fish and all kinds of weird and wonderfuls. The sea eagles have been cruising around above us. It's been pretty, yeah, pretty epic session.